Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss about resonance structures. What is resonance? So resonance structures means it is one type of mixture structure or mixing structures. The loose structure which does not explain all the properties of a given molecule, then we draw a certain type of structures, and finally we draw a hybrid of these structures. This hybrid structure is said to be resonance structure, which able to explain all the property of the given molecule. So resonance structures or resonance means when a molecule or a single molecule which cannot be represented by a single structure, but its characteristic properties can be explained, can be described by two or more than two type of structures, then the actual structures is said to be a resonance structure or is said to be a hybrid structures of a given molecule. So resonance structure means a single loose structure which not explain all the characteristics of a molecule. So we draw more than one type of structure, and finally we draw a resonance structure, a mixing structure which able to explain all the property of a given molecule are known as resonance hybrid or resonance structure. This we understand by taking example of ozone molecule. Consider this is ozone molecule. In this ozone molecule, this is known as structure A. In this structure, single bond between two oxygen atoms, and these two oxygen atoms have double bond. So the valence electron for this oxygen is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Only 5 valence electrons, so it acquires positive charge. This single bond oxygen have 7 valence electron, which is more than 6 valence electron. Therefore, total valence electron is 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So it acquires negative charge. This double bonded third oxygen has 4 electrons and 2 electrons in the form of double bond. So there is 6 valence electron which contain in outermost shell. So it is considered as neutral oxygen atom. So in the case of ozone molecule, there is 3 oxygen atoms. One have positive charge, one have negative charge, one is neutral. Similarly, if we draw another type of structure by shifting of this double bond from left hand side to right hand side, we get this type of structure. So this oxygen, right hand side oxygen containing 6 valence electron, so it is a neutral. Here only 5 valence electron, 3 and 2, 5, so it equals positive charge. This left hand side oxygen containing 7 valence electrons, so it requires negative charge. This is known as structure B. Structure B and structure A both are said to be canonical structures in which number of atoms remain same, number of lone pair, total lone pair also remain same, and total bonding electron pair are also remain same. That means this both A and B structure possess similar energy. So if you want to draw mixing of these two structure or canonical structure of A and B, we get equivalent structure C. This structure C is known as resonance structures or known as resonance hybrid or resonance hybrid structure. In this structure C, the negative charge is shifted right hand to left hand side, means double bond shifted left as well as right. So the negative charge is dispersed between two oxygen atoms. So we can write this. So double bond we can say between two oxygen atoms, partially double bond characteristic is found in the case of resonance hybrid structure C. Practically, evidence says that X-ray spectroscopy says that if between these two oxygen atoms a single bond is present, then it possesses 148 pm bond length between two oxygen atoms. If two oxygen atom has double bond characteristic, then it possesses 121 pm as a bond length. Similarly, in this structure, double bond between two oxygen atoms possesses 121 pm as a bond length. Between these two oxygen atoms, it possesses 148 pm bond length. But practically says that between two oxygen atoms, bond length remain same and the value will be 128 pm. So the bond length between two oxygen atoms in ozone molecule is equal 128 pm. That means bond length between two oxygen atoms is same in the case of ozone molecule. It is 128 pm instead of 121 pm double bond and 148 pm single bond. That means ring-shaped structure is known as canonical structures, and this is a resonance structure in which we represent negative charge is dispersed between two oxygen atoms. Every molecule possesses neutrality in nature because of positive charge and negative charge remain same in canonical structure as well as in resonance structures. So structure A and B have same number of bonding as well as non-bonding electron pair present in them. Second thing, A and B have similarly energy because of only shifting of electron is take place. So the energy of both the canonical structure is same. A and B are the canonical structure of hybrid or resonance structures C. Therefore, this is the resonance structure of C, which is actually representation of ozone molecule instead of its canonical structure A and B. So if we take A and B or A or B as a true structure, then bond length will be different between two oxygen atoms, which does not resemble with the practical bond length data according to spectroscopy. So bond length is equal between two oxygen atoms, and therefore they only represent by resonance hybrid structures instead of two individual Lewis structures or canonical structure A and B. So this is about resonance. What is resonance? When any single Lewis structure does not explain all the property of a given molecule, then we draw two or more than two types of canonical structures in which number of bonding pair remains same, number of lone pair also remain same. Then mix a structure and draw another structure which explain all the property of a given molecule. Then this structure is known as resonance structures or resonance hybrid structure of given molecule. So this is about resonance molecules. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and press bell icon button for new video.